Oh, sorry. I didn't see you guys there. Are you coming to the local marketing mastermind in November? Because you should. We've got some really good speakers. I'm going to be there. I'm going to be talking about sales, closing sales. I'm going to be talking about discovery calls. I'm going to be talking about discovery audits. And we've got a great lineup. I'm Bucky Helms, by the way. I'm the customer success manager at WEB20ranker.com. And I can't wait to hang out with you guys. I'm going to get back to work. I gotta get. So no customers. I have customers. No, just call. Just hit me on the CRM. Okay. Yeah. All right.